Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales.
Welcome back.
Today we have an epic fight in here.
Yes.
We are putting these two guys to fight in here. We have oxtail, but we're gonna do it in two different ways: the Cuban way and the Jamaican way. And we're gonna be sharing the kitchen, which is never good. So I don't know if you guys are ready for this. I'm not ready for this. Are you ready for this?
I am ready for this.
Okay. It's not gonna be good. So as always,
what? Who's gonna be filming today?
yeah, I'm not gonna be filming today. I'm gonna be cooking. As never, I'm gonna be cooking. Miss Ninja is gonna be cooking. That other ninja is gonna be doing a lot of things, and this one is gonna be doing a lot of other stuff too. So let's go for it.
Let's go. Okay, guys. As always, we need to warm up our pressure cookers. Since this is a battle of the pressure cookers, I'm gonna be using my Oster pressure cooker that I have for so many years, and it's basically the same thing. So let's go ahead and set it up. So all we need to do here is press our start button. There we go. And we're gonna put them in browning, which is the same thing as sear and saute. Press start. And we'll be back in 5 minutes.
All right, guys. As you can see, I won the ninja. We had a little fight in there. I threw a coin in there. I did a few tricks, and I win. So we're gonna go with the ninja, guys. Let's do it. Power, sear and saute, start. We're gonna give it 5 minutes. That's it. All right, let's start, man.
So what's on your recipe?
Mine, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. About 2-3 teaspoons of oil.
Okay, I'm gonna use your olive oil for a little bit.
Don't use it.
Please. There we go. A little bit of olive oil.
2 garlic cloves.
Beautiful.
Just gonna put it there.
I have to put in there already my oxtail because this is a Jamaican style. Ooh, hear that? Love it, love it.
The Cuban oxtail, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna brown these onions and garlic in here. Man, that smells so good.
So good, right?
We're just gonna brown these babies up, and then we're gonna put our oxtails in there.
I need to start browning my oxtail with brown sugar. I need a little bit of salt.
I know I'm waiting here. No problem.
No, you're not. I didn't have the salt here.
Not prepared, woman.
We're gonna use about 1/4 of salt at this point, and we're gonna brown this until our oxtail, obviously, it's brown.
Woo. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I'm gonna put it like this, so it gets that beautiful color.
I'm gonna start adding up some of my chicken stock, which is homemade chicken stock.
That chicken stock you can buy anywhere too. You don't have to have it made
True.
at home. So for you guys asking for the oxtail, here is the oxtail.
Here it is.
And there's 2 of them.
Yes.
For the price of 1.
Cuban, Jamaican. Jamaican, Cuban.
I mean, I'll tell you this, man. Jamaican oxtail is awesome.
Yes, it's so yummy.
And Cuban oxtail is awesome too, bro.
So I don't know what's gonna happen today. I don't know.
This is what really brings the flavors out, guys. So you have to let it be, okay? You cannot rush it. Let it get really brown. Let it get really nice, because that's what brings all those flavors out.
Perfect brown, look at this. Oh.
That's a good looking one, man.
Looking good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Love it, love it. Just a teeny weeny little beanie of the brownie sauce. There we go.
That's cheating.
I'm ready to start adding all my spices. Are you ready to start adding the rest of your things, or you have to wait on yours?
I have to wait a little bit so you get a little bit more brownish.
Okay. We're gonna use some onions, tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. How do you pronounce that?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire English sauce. There we go. A teaspoon of soy sauce. thyme, fresh ginger, some garlic, allspice, ketchup.
Ketchup?
Yes, a tablespoon of ketchup.
Another cheating one.
And we're gonna go ahead and mix all this. Oh my God, can you smell that?
Yep.
It smells so good.
Smells good.
Let's mix everything. You see how pretty?
That's a good looking one.
Huh?
First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add some tomato sauce, cooking wine, sour orange. We're gonna add 2 spoons of it. Cut a bunch of different colored peppers. Let's add it into it. Here we go. A teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano. Now let's mix all this stuff up. We're gonna add a beer. I like this one, but you can add whatever you want. All right, instead of water, we're gonna put this baby up. Let's put it like a teaspoon and then culantro and achiote. Sat in there. And ready to pressure cook already, guys. What do you think? That's a good looking one, isn't it?
Okay, let's go. I've been waiting. This is a battle. There you go.
Alright guys, pressure cooking. Let's put the top on.
Hold on guys, because I'm so used to my ninja now. Ah, there we go.
Don't forget to turn the valve off. And now let's pressure cook this thing, guys.
There we go.
For
45 minutes.
45 minutes. Remember, if you buy the Ninja, don't take the label out. It's bad luck.
See you in 45 minutes. Well,
all right.
we did a quick release already. Are you ready?
We did a quick release. The pin is down. That one is.
The pin is down too.
So let's go for it, man. I'm excited. I'm excited, but I'm anxious.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's see.
Oh my God.
Guys, and it's looking awesome. I like the big parts of it, the big pieces, but they didn't give us big pieces when we went to the supermarket. So we have to try it. This one look legit Jamaican. The color and everything is pretty legit. That one look legit Cuban. The color and everything is right there.
So you're gonna try mine and I'm gonna try yours.
You haven't tried it yet, right?
Oh my God, no.
You're not cheating, right?
What? Guys, you guys think I'm cheating? Let's see, let's see. Super soft.
This one is soft.
Look at this, how soft. Are you ready?
That's a good piece right there.
Yeah.
Really good. Super tender.
Good.
I feel a lot the wichichipichichi sauce.
The wichichi sauce.
I feel that flavor a lot. I don't know if that's normal or not, but it's really good. Really good.
Really good. This one is really good too.
How come out with the beer?
I thought that I was gonna taste a lot of the beer flavor. You can barely taste it.
All right.
It's really soft. It's really good. A little bit more salt.
I forgot to mention the salt, guys. I put, I think it was half a teaspoon.
Yes.
Maybe you can put a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
We're trying to be a little conservative here with the salt.
Look at this. I mean, super, super soft.
Super tender.
If we would have done this in the stove, it takes 3 hours. 3 hours. We did it in 45 minutes.
Maybe 5, 10 minutes before that. So less than an hour for sure. Alright, let's switch it.
I'm gonna try mine now.
Let's switch it. Alright, let's go for it. I must say that mine got a little bit softer. You need a little bit more salt on it, but you can feel the flavors of the peppers. You can feel the peppers in there.
Yeah, you do.
And it doesn't taste at all as beer. Super
you know
good.
what? Yeah, he's right. His came out softer.
Yep.
Mine, it's good, but softer would have been a little bit better. I think we probably need more liquid in it. Instead of only 1 cup, it's 2 cups.
And on mine, instead of 1 beer, is 1 pound, half a beer is enough. I put a whole beer, it's that good.
It came out really good.
It came out really, really good. I love them both. I think mine wins. Both are absolutely awesome.
Really?
The whole recipes and everything is gonna be down there, guys. I think these 2 recipes are delicious, brother. This thing kill it. I'm sorry.
What an awesome experience, right?
Okay, we have Mr. Georgie here.
Look with his new haircut.
He wants to say hello. Say hello, Mr. Georgie.
Hello. And like we said before, if you don't have an Indian foodie, you have a pressure cooker, go ahead and cook it any way you want to. Jamaican style, Cuban style. And like he said, he's the winner.
It's something for you guys to try.
It's really good.
But I will tell you this. It doesn't matter what's a tool you use. The Ninja is just a tool that does a lot of crazy stuff. But you might not have it. And you might have a pressure cooker with a fryer or whatever, you guys. Don't worry about that. Go ahead, give it a try. You're gonna love it. That's the whole bottom line in here. We don't care about ninjas and we don't care about makers in here. All we care about is share these things with you.
Yes.
And you can learn how to pressure cook and how to do your stuff in a different way. Here we bring in a bunch of Latin recipes and Latin stuff that we love. But definitely people is asking for recipes from different states.
Yes,
in the
and
US.
soups. I have so many good ones. I'm gonna give it to you guys.
So we bring in a bunch of recipes from other states, from other countries, from other places. If you like all these recipes, please give us a like. If you want to learn more about all the crazy stuff we do here, subscribe to the channel. And anything you have in mind, any question, any advice, anything you want to say, please put it down there in the comments. We answer all the comments, we read all the comments. That's it for now, guys. Remember that I love you.
We love you and see you in the next one.
Baby.